Hi friends, this is Miss Donzella back. Earlier I made a video showing you how I inspected and picked my greens before I washed them. Now my greens have been washed and I have started cooking them. I cooked some five slices of bacon I diced up and cooked them in the pot, drained the bacon, put it back. Then I added some red onion, chopped red onion, and some pepper flakes. And so my greens have started cooking, and I added about a cup of low sodium chicken broth. And as your greens cook down, you keep adding more to your pot, like so, as they cook, and they will cook down. I had 6 bunches, 3 collards, 3 kale, and so again, I sauteed some bacon in my pot and drained the grease off of the bacon. Then I added some red onion. You can use any type of onion you want. I added a little bit of this Mrs. Dash extra spicy pepper flakes, and you can use regular red pepper flakes. And I'm also going to add a couple of teaspoons, or maybe I say a tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. After this, my greens cook down, then I'll add a little sugar to the pot, and then you have to season this to your taste. Some people use ham hocks, they use smoked turkey, bacon, salt pork. Use what you like to season your greens. Everybody cooks them different, but this I chose to use some bacon in mine. And then we'll cook these down, and maybe low and slow. May take a couple of hours, just depending on the greens. Some greens are more tender than others, so you have to cook them down until they're tender to your liking. And again, friends, when this cooks down, I'll add maybe a couple of tablespoons of red wine vinegar. I'll also add a little sugar and some salt, just a little bit of salt, just depending, because I have bacon in here, so I should not need to add any additional salt. But this was 6 bunches of greens, so I might have to add a little bit. But you have to season it to your taste. And again, I made a video earlier of how I inspected my greens and picked them prior to washing them and cooking them. And I will make another video showing you how my greens are once they've cooked. And friends, if you like videos like this, please join me in my kitchen. I would love to have you. And to all my subscribers, thank you for sticking with me, making my videos, and joining me in my kitchen. And for those that are not subscribers, thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. And I would appreciate, if you like videos like this, to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, because I'd love to have you in my kitchen, where we do simple home cooking, low budget cooking, actually budget friendly cooking, heart healthy cooking, low sodium cooking. So friends, again, I'd love for you to join me in my kitchen, my YouTube channel at Miss Donzella Cooks. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you very much for joining me today. Have a blessed day.